What's up? Yours truly, Michael Ferrera. Welcome to Style Your Life. And in this very short segment, we're going to show you how you can get rid of that awkward foam that you have at the top of your protein shakes when you're mixing it up. This will be extremely short because I just want to answer the question so you can get back with your life and actually accomplish this goal. So jumping right into it, as you can tell, you want to just make your smoothie as you normally will. I like to use banana, pineapple, some papaya. Also like to put some spinach for iron and also some celery juice and some water. I might leave the recipe for the perfect smoothie down below. Then you want to simply close the lid and you want to begin blending your smoothie as normal, not with the protein in it, just the fruits and vegetables as you desire. One thing I use with the Vitamix is I like to just use the smoothie section and just let it do its thing. And as you can tell, it's already working its magic to blend this up really nicely. Now, as we finish blending this thing, the perfect trick is going to come up after this thing is done. You then want to take your protein and add it to the top of the smoothie elements that you have already blended. Now you just want to pour the protein on top, and then you want to mix and blend this again. Keeping in mind, when you actually start the blender to blend the protein in, you're going to turn it on the lowest segment, a level 1 or a level 2, and just blend it and mix it in really nicely. Now you want to gradually go up to a level 2, a level 3, maybe a level 4, very slowly, and do this process for about 20 to 30 seconds. That's going to give you a beautiful blend of your protein and your smoothie elements. Now for the moment of truth. Let's get our glass out and I'll show you how this actually looks so beautiful with no foam. There you have it, a perfect smoothie with no foam at the top that you can just enjoy it immediately without having to let it settle or let it chill or do anything else. So comment below, let me know if this actually works for you. Let me know if you're using this tip and if it actually is valuable. If you found this video valuable, please comment, please like, and of course, please subscribe. It is yours truly, Michael Ferrera, in Style Your Life. We bring valuable content on a regular basis to improve and enhance your life. So I'm going to take my time and enjoy this smoothie. You enjoy the rest of your day and use this tip. As usual, remember, style your life. You can have every single thing in your life that you want as long as you truly believe it. We'll see you soon. Peace.